So guys, today we are here at near the main station. Over here there's like a boat area we can go. Today our plan is to go to Mount Regi. There's a boat going to Mount Regi. From there we don't know. And then after that Mount Regi, we are probably, if we have time, we'll go to another mountain. Let's go guys. So guys, now I'm in the boat. Now this will go to Mount Regi. Wonderful trip. Now we are going to the mountains. It's gonna take around 30 minutes more. Yeah. station, and from here we're gonna take a train to all the way up to the Mount Regi. This is our train.
धीमे धीमे चले पुरवैया, बोले थाम तू मेरी बैया, संग चल मेरे रोके क्यों जिया, हो धीमे धीमे चले पुरवैया।
So guys, now we're in the train. We are going on an inclined train all the way to the top.
रुत ये अनोखी सी आई सजनिया, बादल की डोली में लो बैठी रे बुंदनिया, धरती से मिले
Guys, we have reached Mount Regi. Now it's a beautiful place to visit.
सागर में घुलने को चली देखो नदिया, धीमे धीमे चले पुरवैया, ओ बोले थाम तू मेरे भैया, संग चल मेरे रोके क्यों जिया, हो धीमे धीमे चले पुरवैया।
So guys, now we are on the tip of Mount Regi. You can't go more higher instead of this thing. Over there, it's like a tower you can just climb up. Instead of that, this is the tip, like the natural tip. It's small compared to Titlis, but then it's pretty high.
आंचल हवा का थाम देखो उड़ी एक धानी चुनरिया, धीमे धीमे चले पुरवैया, हो बोले थाम तू मेरी भैया, संग चल मेरे रोके क्यों जिया, हो धी
So guys, now we have finished our journey at Mount Regi. Now our plan is to go to Mount Pilatus.